Hi guys, my name is Michael Stone. Today we're going to talk about our wrapping paper. Now, a lot of people overlook wrapping paper because it's generally only used around the holidays, around December, for Christmas, Hanukkah, or any other type of holidays that there are out there. Now, the great thing about wrapping paper is it can be used for any type of gifting, corporate gifts, birthdays, giveaways, whatever you need, even if it needs to have creative packaging. It's a lot more inexpensive than getting a custom box made. Nice thing is with these is you can really showcase your brands on these different pieces of paper. This is made on premium paper, so it's not like this paper you can get at your local store where it's very thin and rips on corners or anything like that. If you take a look at this box here, you can tell that the corners are very nice, and these sheets of wrapping paper, they're a good size and they'll cover your standard shoe box or t-shirt box. And so it's great to showcase your brand. It's really nice to have, and also because it's done on demand, you can personalize it with the recipient's name, with their picture. Now, these clients use some of our stock designs. You know, they were obviously holiday related because we just got done with the holidays, and they simply just plugged in their brand and their logo into these different spots. But if you look at this box again, you can see that we actually designed this knowing what the size of the box was going to be, so that way when we wrapped it, the logo was front and center. This is the only logo and design on this, and it goes with that brand's colors. On the one that you'll get in our sample kit, you can see we've replicated the design that's gone on all of our other pieces, and we just did a simple step and repeat with the decorated background. Now, with the design, you can really do whatever you'd like. You can accomplish anything that you want. You can just let your creative juices flow and win big. You know, these are great pieces and great add-ons to any type of gifts. I recommend you use them. They're very inexpensive to you and to your customer, but makes a lasting impression on the gifts that you provide. I'm Michael. Thanks for watching. I'm the director of Tektured.